Hey, it's working now, finally. Yeah, welcome to the stream, Zippy, Emerald, Arid. Haven't had that much time this week, but I'm going to get on with doing a little bit before the meeting later on. So, thank you all for coming. Sorry about all the troubles with Right then, as I was just saying, hopefully it doesn't go again. I've got it up on my phone, so I should be able to tell when it goes. Do let me know in the chat. I've been working on structures for the tutorials and stuff. I've been struggling with them quite a bit. I've managed to get stuff generating and stuff, but I can't get it to reliably work with the structure system. So if anyone does have any ideas about that, if they've worked with structures the proper way that Minecraft does them, please do let me know in the Discord, possibly. Give me a DM, or just tag me in the Discord. Anyway, I'm not working on that currently. I'm just going to add some more things to Harry's house improvements. So first things first, I think I might add a couple more furniture materials, possibly. No. Anyone got any ideas for anything that they want to add to my furniture mod? Then, well, my house improvements mod is basic. It's not all a furniture mod; it's other things as well. Sorry about this. I'm just trying to think of the ideas of things to put up. Well, suggest things in the chat. I'm going to add a couple more furniture materials while I think. And we've got all the woods. And we've got red wool. I guess I could do all the other types of wool because that would be quite simple. For some reason I can't access the blocks class. I'll have to find it. Oh, of course, there's white wool, orange wool. That'll do for now. So now I just need to... No one's chatting in chat, are they? Oh, my phone's not loading properly. Whoa, so I didn't notice anything, my chat wasn't updating properly. Mirrored Fruit again, I said I am working on more tutorials. Thank you very much for the donation. Again, if someone does have any ideas about structures, please, by all means, give me a hand in my Discord server. Trash can sounds a good idea actually. I probably will add that in. Go into the blocks class, hold down Control, and then you can just look at the class itself by clicking on it. It can be any household item, anything really. I'm just going to finish up these. I'm going to add all these different varieties now. Blending sounds like a cool idea. I'm going to add all these things while I remember. What did you say, Jess? Let me have a look in the chat. Mouse. Blender. I need to add more kitchen things as well. Cutting board. Well, you should have seen my Wi-Fi is not working very well right now. It's working perfectly currently. Hope it stays that way, but it wasn't working earlier. You can actually sit on the bar stool. Yes, I'll show you them in a bit if you want. I'll get around to adding all these things. I think that's enough suggestions for now. I'm going to go through and add all these varieties to these classes first. Why is that doing that then? Just change the word red to blue. Change the word red to green. Actually, to yellow first. I haven't implemented a system yet. I'm doing it currently manually, but it's not hard. I just copy and paste a lot of things. I'm sure there is a much easier way. I haven't bothered to getting around to creating an automatic JSON file creator for all these things. I'm only going to do those 4 for now. I can't bother to add all these things manually. Where has it gone? Furniture materials. Let's remove white and orange. I can't bother do any of this right now. I'm just going to remove them. Let's get on with some of these cool creations. Give that a save. Sticking on the theme of technology and stuff, first I'll get on with the computer mouse. I should probably call that a computer mouse so I actually can differentiate between them. I'll also add them to item blocks as well. Just replace the word block with item. Then add them to registries as well. The swivel chair, I was going to add the swivel chair, wasn't I? I didn't ever get around to adding that. I'll add that after I've added the mouse. Because it shouldn't be too hard. The swivel chair, because it's basically identical to the bar stool. Apart from it doesn't swivel. Apart from it needs to swivel, I haven't added that functionality yet. Right, I'm going to put some music on. Sorry, I forgot to do that in all the stress of things. A bit loud. Copyright free music for YouTube, this one will do. Oh, it does it? I don't care. That's really loud. There we go. Double check my chat's updating properly. Yeah. Right, what am I adding? I've forgotten. A computer mouse. It is going to be a voxel shaped block. I'll change that up later. And change that to computer mouse. Just copy the microphone block state. I don't think it's really, a shotgun isn't really something in my mod. It's not really a house item, at least where I'm from. But there are other people that are doing other mods. You can check out links in the description to other people. If their mod is more relevant to something like that, then go ask them. They might want to create it. Yeah, I'm creating a like furniture type mod. Right, computer mouse. There we are. Well, yeah, Elite 8 and I'm struggling for time as well right now, which is why I've haven't uploaded a tutorial in a couple of months, but yeah, I have been working on one. I just want to make sure that it's a really good tutorial. Like, I want it to be a really competent thing, rather than it being just a shoddy tutorial. Like, currently I've managed to get structures generating in a way that isn't supposed to work properly. I'm just not happy with the way it is so far. I just thought I want to do a little bit of modding this week. I haven't had that much time now, so I decided I'll do it in a couple hours before the actual event. There we are. Computer mouse is pretty small. I'd say too high there. And then I've got to really. I'm gonna make this bit 5 in the X direction, so then I can let this gonna be the scroll wheel. It's gonna be like that. There we go. I don't know what kind of texture will suit it. It's kind of like a black plasticky kind of thing. I'm gonna go with clay or something. Not normal clay though, I want the coloured clay. Black concrete's pretty good texture. That'll do. And then like a grey texture for the skull wheel. That can be normal clay. Oops, wrong one. I'd say that's quite good for a mouse. It'll do. Yeah, that's the right place. Now let's just refresh. With computer mouse here. It's Minecraft block now. I reckon this will be black concrete instead of concrete black now. Let me double check. Client extra assets Minecraft. concrete, yeah. And clay still the same? Clay is still the same, yeah. And the particle can be that one. And then we just have to, in registries, adjust the voxel shape. So it was 4 by 6, which means it was 5 inwards, I think. No, 6 inwards. Yeah. .375. Knob at 0 at the start, and the Z direction it was 6, so it's 4 plus 6, must be 5 downwards. 0.3125, and the maximum X goes from, it's 0.375 is 6 in plus 4 in, so 10 over 16, 0.625. The Y direction, it's 3 tall, 0.1875. And X, it's 10 as well, 0.625. And that should be the computer mouse registered into the game. There's still some things I need to obviously improve in this mod, such as actually making it so I can place blocks close to each other. Because currently, even though some of the blocks are really small, what's wrong with this? What block is this? It's the bar stool. Have I broken something with the texture? Let's remove all the blue. I think I might have removed red wool by accident. I'll just mouse remove it. If I was to dye this to... Oh, could it work? Oh. I've completely broken that. F3T. Reload the resource pack. So that's all working. I think, yeah. That's not working. Okay, I'll fix that in a minute. I forgot to register the item for Not on my peak here today. So that's registered, and I've managed to break the bar stool's block state. Did I do something to the models of the bar stool? I don't think I did. I didn't do any of this. So that should all be still the same. Don't believe anything's wrong. So maybe I just made a mistake there with the wool, and hopefully that should fix everything now. Right, and the bar stool, and the computer mouse is there. It is about the correct size. Yeah, I'd say it's about the correct size. But again, yeah, it places here. I want to be able to place it on the sub-pixel. But yeah, computer mouse is done for now. Does the materials work again? That all works fine, so I don't know why it wouldn't work on the bar stool. No, it still doesn't work. Is it just oak? Or is it all of them? It's just oak. I've done something wrong in the oak planks one then. Clearly. Oak bar stool. Mine. Because this says jungle planks and it should say oak planks. There we are, that's fixed everything. Next on the agenda. I was going to create a desk chair type thing. So let's ready to the swivel chair again. It's going to get its own block state. And then replace the word bar stool with swivel chair. Add the swivel chair in to the line file. The item model. Can't spell. And then let's go back into the model creator and let's create something new. I'm going to call this wheel. Sorry, is the chat still working? There it is. Sorry if it's a boring stream. I'm just getting on with some more mod creation. Sometimes things are repetitive. Call this wheel 4. It's going to be 7 there and 13 there. I'm going to have a stand. Tube thing, I don't know what to call it. Right then. Got the wheels. Is that high enough? Relative. I think it might want to be 1. No, I think it's good actually. is this? Well, it's NCS. Just double checking I'm not playing copyrighted music. The how tall is a tube? It's 4 tall, so that's 6 tall. 7, so crops are super simple. You'd have to extend a crop block and custom block interactions. My item right click tutorial, I believe, does the same thing. Yeah, crops are really quite similar to 1.12, and so are custom block interactions as well. I'm currently working on the structures tutorial, that's what I'm focusing on. This isn't tall enough, this. This is going to have to be the bottom part of the block. I'm going to have to add a little bit more of the block on top of it. Yeah, I do want to make the office chair spin. Right now I just want to add it in firstly, but I do want to make its functionality to spin as well. Welcome to the stream, Sol. Currently we're just setting things up. This is the back. And then stand 1. I'm going to duplicate. Raise its position up. A bit more. I'm currently making a office desk chair thing. That's not high enough. Well, yeah, I'm going to work on making it 2 blocks high first. This is going to be the bottom. That should be finished for now. I just need to add the different things on. I think I'm going to go with black concrete again. This is Harry's house improvements. It's for I'm really not sure how to make it spin, but we will see. I think I'm going to work on making it a decorative thing for now. There we are for now. And now let's do a new one. It's literally just going to be a all these great ideas, so little time, Millie Asian. I've got a few ideas already, and since Mirrored Fruit donated to me, I think I'm gonna focus on his ideas for now. But I will add. I'll add that to the list of things to do. So, what was I doing? I was finishing off this. I was going to add a headrest at the top as well. This is the back. Actually, I don't need to do that. Duplicate this. Bring it forward one in the Z direction. Reduce its size. This is going to be a it's a two-part thing. I'm having two models. This is just the top of the desk chair. Yeah, it's because I want to obviously make the chair taller than 1 block high, so. I'm just going to have the item model be the bottom bit, for now at least. I don't have to. I will probably improve this and work on it a bit more when I get the time. This one can just extend furniture block, it doesn't need to extend to the chair block. I also need to create a new block here. Swivel chair top. Register that. This is just going to be a new voxel shape block. It's going to have voxels. Actually, no, it needs to be a new furniture block. I think I'll give it a swivel chair block. No, it needs to have its own thing. Right then, I haven't uploaded this mod to Curse yet, but I do have a GitHub for it. It's on my. If you go to my GitHub, you can find the code for this. I'm also gonna. I probably will upload this Curse after today, actually. So if someone can remind me to do that at the end of the stream, that would be much appreciated. How tall do they make that? I can't remember. Max, I'm really not that good. Minecraft gives you a lot of help with things. So, yeah, it's been... I just learnt by practicing. What am I doing? I was looking in models block, swivel chair top block. What? Oh yeah. Minecraft block anvil. Maybe Max, but if you just practice lots and watch tutorials, learn from people, then you'll get the hang of it. Let's import it into the thing again. I've forgotten how tall it was. Oh, I've opened it twice. Huh. Back is 10 tall. It's 0.625. And it's not 0.125, sorry, in that. No, actually it's not, it's 0.0625. And then shape 2. is going to be the other one. Why did I close it? Why did I close it? I don't know. The headrest is 3 in and 5 up. Not 0.3125, and it's 0.0625 double N. It's Harry's House Improvements. Again, it's not on CurseForge yet, but it will be. So it's 10 across. Which is, right now, what? It starts at 3 across and goes up to 13 across, 13 over 16, 0.8125. Right, then this one starts at 5 up and goes up to 9 up. 0.5625. And then the other one, start 2 across now. Then there's the, I need to override on break. Oh. I think there might be a forge thing for this now. It might have been changed. On block. Oh, harvested. There we are. Dot. Yeah, just beginner mod creators, just you can follow tutorials, but try and make sure you understand them. If you don't understand them, obviously ask in the comments, or especially for me at least, in my Discord, because that is where a lot of people can help you and try and help you understand everything, because understanding is better than just getting things working. Daniel, I believe there's a function in the entity that's just create baby or whatever or something like that. not sure. I'd recommend looking in some of the other entities classes that have babies. They should do something in their baby class. Oh, right. That should be. I should drop the things for on-block harvested. On-block placed by. Sorry, is my chat working again? Yeah, it's working cool. No. What is facing? It's a direction property. I'm going to have a table block. How do you get facing? I can't remember how you do this. Also, it's just state dot get facing. That's it. I don't even need that. Why did I create that class when there's already one there? Already exists. Right then, I believe that should be all the issues that you have with it. We need to do get shape here. And there's going to be quite a few shapes here. I don't know if I want to make the entire thing right now. I think I'm just going to ignore get shape for now. I just want to make sure it works with the stuff. So do I read swivel chair top? Swivel chair top block. It's inside a swivel chair block. This one needs to be -1, I believe, actually, because if you click on the swivel chair top block, it's going to spawn you too high in the air. I'm currently trying to fix the issues that would happen when we create a double block. We're creating a chair block that's more than one block tall, though. So when we place the block, we also need to set the block above it as well to be the second part of the block. And when we break the top block, I just realised I need to WorldIn.setBlockState pos.down blocks.air.getDefaultState. And same here for onBlock harvested. I can do a bit of C#, but I would not say I'm fluent at all in it. To be honest, I wouldn't say I'm fluent in Java either. I understand everything, but I'm not very good at creating that many Java programs besides out of Minecraft mods. I can do some Python as well, but again, I'm not fluent in it. This needs to extend furniture block rather than... Yep, C#. Yeah, I definitely could learn C# if I spent some time on it. I just realised as well, I don't think any of my blocks actually have any drops in survival mode. Unless they change the way that works. Anyway, I think I'm going to... I should now be able to do... placing it down the world. I'm currently developing my Harry's house improvements mod for MMP. I'm also going to be releasing it publicly today as well, the first version. Yeah, I know blocks have loot tables. I don't think I've done any of them yet in this mod at least. I've completely forgot to do it, which means it's probably been unusable in the game. We'll have a see. Right, and well, that's broken already. So there's definitely something wrong here. Block states, swivel chair. That's because the name is wrong. It's down as just swivel chair when it should be basic swivel chair. So now it doesn't have any textures. Basic swivel chair. Minecraft block anvil. Another thing fixed. So there we are, that's working. I don't think I created a block state for the... I didn't know, that's probably why. Give that a save. Reload textures again. Can you actually create... I don't think you do. You can create classes and reload the game. You've got to reset the game fully, I think. Yeah. Unless I've registered the name wrong. Swivel chair top. No, that should work. Swivel chair top. Swivel chair top, but they're all right. Models block. Oh, I didn't call it basic swivel chair top, that's why. I have a Ryzen 5 2600 and a GTX 1060. Not the most up to date, but it's still pretty good for... Obviously Minecraft works perfectly fine. Coding is all pretty good. I mean, it struggles a little bit with some tough mod packs, but yeah, it's a decent PC. Three missing entries. No. What have I done? 3 missing entries. I haven't removed any registries. We'll fix that in due time. Yeah, it's not the best specs, but I mean, it should still be able to do some basic programming and stuff like that. Right, I'll see what. I don't know why that's all been removed. I've made a mistake somewhere. They're all there. I don't know why it's been removed. Swivel chair. Right, so I need to rotate the texture thing. And I'm also spawning it at the wrong place. And I need to update the model for that as well. But yeah. And I'm also too low down. Also, if I right click the top one, it still sets me in the right place. Cool, that's what I wanted to happen. Yeah, a lot of people have actually done that. They've created Minecraft in C#. Right, so I need to. There's a few things here that's broken. Obviously, I haven't created voxel shapes for that. I haven't rotated that one, and this is a pixel out. So first things first. Back needs to be moved one that way. Headrest needs to be moved one that way. Faces. Anvil. Apply. Shift. Copy. Shift. Paste. No. Shift paste there. Export the JSON. Swivel chair top. C++ is a very hard language to learn. But it's probably the best language as well. So you know. Right, what was I doing? Delete that basic swivel chair top. Rename this one to basic swivel chair top. Yeah, C++ is quite old, but it's used for basically every modern game nowadays, and they're updating it. I think Minecraft is probably the only game really out now that still uses Java. As well, Microsoft are making their own version in C#, so the Bedrock edition. See you, Elite Asian. Thanks for coming to the stream. What was I doing? I've created that. I need to rotate the swivel chair model. Turn voxel shape helper dot rotate. Let's test if that works. Hi Mr. Gastine, welcome to the stream. I'm doing quite well. Yeah, Minecraft code did used to be pretty rubbish. The recommendation is always to follow the way Forge does things, because that's usually the most efficient. Minecraft's way of doing things can be quite sloppy sometimes. But now it's run by Microsoft, they've started to improve the way they do things. Thank you very much, Aiden. I forgot to mute my microphone there. Oh, there we are. The voxel shapes a pixel out now. Right then, what do I need to do still? I needed to adjust these things now. They all need to be moved one in the Z direction. Right, not 625D and not put 125D there. This one needs to be not at 125D there and 3/16 there. I'll put 1875. That should be the correct thing now. Also, I need to, into the block, basic bar stool, not basic bar stool, basic swivel chair, Minecraft block anvil, Minecraft block anvil. There we go. That should fix those issues. Now I just need to create a thing and then it should be done. Yeah, I've never done that much with server client sync, but that is quite a pain in Minecraft. But I mean, the client server thing isn't too hard to understand once you get around to it. It's just the syncing between them. But running things on only client or only server is fine. Just using packets and things like that to send between them can be very confusing. And there we go. That doesn't look right. I will fix that in a minute. Now I just need to adjust these. But anyway, I think I'm going to leave that. Oh, that broke something. Unblock harvested. What did I do? What's null? Oh, I broke something there. Sorry, it was the unblock harvested thing. It might be this casting to world server. So it's why does this not work then? I don't even have to do this. It only has one drop. I can just do world into add entity, new item entity, new item blocks dot swivel chair. What do I want? An item stack. Alright. What? You just put an item in. Alright, just takes an item, cool. Well, that shouldn't break everything now. Nice. One second, I just need to double check if any of my items drop or anything. Nope. And they all have no harvest level or anything like that either. So right then, I need to add all that stuff. But to be honest, I really don't feel like doing that right now. I think all my mod is in a working condition, so I'm gonna leave it here probably for today. Thank you everyone for coming along to the stream. I'm also gonna upload it to CurseForge now, actually. So So first I'm going to update the GitHub. Where is it in my... There we are. Thank you very much, Elite Asian, for giving me a reminder there. House improvement, source, copy across main. No, don't want to do that. I want to paste it in there. Replace everything in there. GitHub update. There we are, it should be updated on GitHub. Nope, no, that one. No, go away. Updated 19 seconds ago, yeah? So you can find it at GitHub Harry Tech Revs MMP Live Mods. If you want to have a look at that. Am I logged into Curse? I'm not. What's this? Right then. That's around my old mods and the viewers pack there as well. How do you create a mod? Minecraft. Not mod packs, mods. Start project. Minecraft mod. Primary category. Cosmetic. I'm going to do from a logo. I'll just make it rubbish logo for now. There we are. Big note of titling is my favourite font that I use for all my things. I'm going to actually export the mod. Well, here's a quick tutorial on how to export a mod. So pause the music a second. I might actually, while I'm here, might as well. I'm going to record a video. You guys can watch me record a video right now. I'm just going to quickly record how to export a mod because some people have asked me for that for a while, and I might as well do it. See you, Nikhil. Thanks for watching the stream. I don't actually normally record this way with GeForce Experience, but I can't start recording at the same time as live streaming, I don't believe. Or can I? Oh, I can. I didn't even know that. Right then, I'll just do that. So yeah, guys, you can watch me record a video. I'm just going to quickly record this. Hello guys, and welcome back to a Minecraft mod tutorial. In today's episode, we're going to be just exporting our mod, which creates a mod file, and you can then send that around to your friends or upload it to CurseForge to share your mod with other people. So you need to remember the location of your mod, open up command prompt, run as administrator, then go to the location of where your mod is. If it's in a different drive, then type the letter and colon and it'll take you to a different drive, then do CD and then the location of your mod. So mine's in code, Minecraft. I'm doing my Harry's House Improvements mod right now. Then type Gradle W build. It will take a minute. It'll start the Gradle daemon and we'll build your mod into one file. And there it'll say build successful. Then go into your mod location. And then inside of the build folder, and then libs down here, you will have the file of your mod. So it's Harry's House Improvements 1.14.4, 1.0.0, which it got from my mods.toml file. No, it didn't. Sorry. Which you got from my build.gradle file. No, fuck's sake. Sorry. This is what it's like when I create a tutorial. I always mess things up. Which you got from my Gradle properties file. Mod version 1.0.0 and Minecraft version 1.14.4. So if you want to change those values, you just change this here. So then you have this file, and you can upload it to CurseForge. And then you can share your mod with the world. So thanks for watching this tutorial, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more tutorials. I know it's been quite a while since the last one. I'm working on the structures tutorial. But that'll take a while. I just don't have that much time to do tutorials. So thanks for watching. My name's been Harry, and goodbye. And there we go, that's the tutorial done. I have to obviously edit that because I made some mistakes and things in there. I've also just realised that I've oh, thanks Elite Asian. Thanks for coming to the stream. I had those properties wrong. It's not 0.1.0. It should be. So I'm just gonna run that again. Thanks, Elite Asian. Thanks for coming to the stream. I guess I'll have to do the full changelog, won't I? Might as well. I do want to do this properly. think that's everything I've got my mod so far. So I will 1.14.4 and submit the file. So I've just got to wait for the CurseForge administrators to approve it, obviously. And I need to fix this up and stuff like that and make it look nice. But I will do that in the future. So in a few days, you can come check out that. Yep, probably. We'll see. I think the last one, my last approval only took 2 days, but we'll see. Since I made that video, I might as well edit it as well. You can watch the magic of editing. It's so fun. Can you tell I'm being sarcastic whatsoever? Firstly, I need to organise this. It should be the latest one. 29th and 9th, quarter past. Yeah, that was right. Rename it to number 17. Hello guys, and welcome back to a Minecraft mod tutorial. In today's episode, we're going to be just exporting our mod, which creates a mod file, and you can then send that around to your friends or upload to CurseForge to share your mod with other people. So you need to remember the location of your mod. Open up command prompt, run as administrator. Then go to the location of where your mod is. If it's in a different drive, then type the letter and colon, and it'll take you to a different drive. Then use CD, and then the location of your mod. So mine's in code, Minecraft. I'm doing my Harry's House Improvements mod right now. Then type Gradle W build. Gradle daemon, and we'll build your mod into one file. It'll say build successful. Then go into your mod location. And then inside of the build folder, and then libs down here, you will have the file of your mod. So it's Harry's House Improvements 1.14.4, 1.0.0, which it got from table file. So this is what it's like when I create a tutorial. I was messy. Which you got from my Gradle 2.0, which you got from my Gradle properties file, mod version 1.0.0, and Minecraft version 1.14.4. So if you want to change those values, you just change this here. So then you have this file, and you can upload to CurseForge. And then you can share your mod with the world. So thanks for watching this tutorial, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more tutorials. I know it's been quite a while since the last one. I'm working on the structure tutorial. But so that'll take a while. I've had that much time to do tutorials. So thanks for watching. My name's been Harry, and goodbye. And there we are, that's the tutorial done. I just save it. Is as exporting your mod. Then I click on render as. YouTube. Finish videos Minecraft. Render. Should only take a couple minutes. And then the video will be done. So after I've uploaded this video, this is probably the end of the live stream, guys. So thanks for watching everything. I'll be back on in a bit with the showcase of the mods this week. For MMP, so you can come check that out. There'll be a few of us on the server and showing off all the updates to our mods. Again, I haven't done that much this week so far, but I will soon. So is the mod finished exporting yet? It's 40% done. So I hope you enjoyed this little insight into how I make my tutorials. Is everything alright? Still live streaming. You just upload a video. Close that one as well now. $50 seconds remaining. My phone's about to run out of charge, so I've been looking at the chat with the entire time. It's been on for 2 hours. It's probably not good for its battery. There we are, video's finished exporting. Where did it export to? export to mod pack? No. Oh, where did it export to? Oh, it's just there. It should be instead of 1.13. But there we are, exporting your mod to MP4. Wow, it's been a long time since I made a proper video. Sorry about that. That's cool, Tyler. I don't care. Um, 1.14 tutorials. Does it look like that? What does that actually look like? What am I looking for here? There we go. That's what I want. I then create a new that, paste that in, and I don't even know if you can generate an 80. I'll use a screenshot of Eclipse, that'll be a good background. I'm then going to blur it. Copy this on. Use some big noodle titling again. Huge noise, I can't hear anything. Oh, dabbing my keyboard.
Dabbing my keyboard.
Sorry about that. Oh, that was probably my my microphone stand. And there we go. The mod's done. The video's done. Sorry. Publish that. I then copy this link. It automatically loads to my Twitter. And I also go into Discord and announce it. Hey, Emry, sorry I can't pronounce your name properly. I've just finished doing some mod coding, and now I thought while I was uploading my mod for the first time that I would create a tutorial for exporting and building your mod. So I just did that, showed people my editing process and recording process, etc. And I'm going to be ending the stream now. So thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully it was interesting at least. Thank you again to Mirrored Fruit for donating, and I am going to get on with the structures tutorial soon. It will. So again, if anyone has experience with doing structures and wants to help me out, please tag me in the Discord server. And anyway, yeah, that's going to be it. Bye.